Everybody, this is a Branson 3510. I gotta change the head gasket. So what you do, you remove the water pump, you put it on the side. You start from unbolting the alternator, move that, and then there's a bunch of bolts, not too many. There's one here, one here, one here, one back there, then these two little ones, and then once you take the top off from here, there's a few more in here. But before that, I gotta unscrew it here so I can remove these rocket, whatever you call those. Remember, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know all the names. But anyway, and there's one, before you do that, there's one here on this side for the fuel you gotta remove. Don't forget that. And then these two, and then these are where the fuel injectors go. Hopefully I don't have to remove the whole thing from the other side. We'll see. Oh yeah, I had to remove this, which is here, and then this that goes here, the water. But so far it's not that hard. But yeah, let's see. The next step, I gotta remove these. Okay, yeah, you gotta remove the ground here too, and then this wire, and then this hose, like I said, this wire, and then this wire that goes in, one here, one on the other side. And then I think that's it. Of course the top, this, and then you push it on the side. The easy way is to use an impact gun to remove the screws. It's easier. I did one. I have to do the rest. There's one here, here, there, and the little ones. The little one is 17. The big one, I think, is let's see, 22. At the end, I'm using this. Here at the end, because I'm hitting the top, so it's easier if I use that. Same thing here. Okay, the next step, this how it looks. So what I did, I made a box like this. I go front, back, each one what it was. I took one by one, put it in each hole. Same thing with these. I don't think it matters, but anyway, that's how I did it. That's how it looks. So now it's time to take out the rest of the screws. The gasket is off, I mean the head is off. Look at the gasket in that section. Yeah. There's the head. Let's see how it looks. I cannot lift it by one hand. That's how it looks. I'm gonna clean it, make sure it's not cracked. Yeah, this is how it looks so far. So this here was a little bit rusty. So I think this was what the blow-by was, because it was making bubbles in the water. So I think some water got in here. So that's why I was getting bubbles. Okay. So the head is back on. Don't forget that one over there. There's the, I guess, the tedious one, the only one. The rest, it's not that bad to put back on. Okay, so we're getting there, slowly. Now we'll do the water pump. Back together, so hopefully it's gonna run. I gotta put some water. I gotta bleed the diesel right here, and then to bleed the water, we'll see if we have to do it. It's right there. Okay, but alrighty. Hopefully there's not gonna be any more bubbles. Everybody, so as you can see, I took it off the second time, and the previous picture you can see something orange here. I took it to a shop, and yeah, there's a crack right there. So don't just put a new gasket on it, and before you check the head, take it to a shop. So I should have done that before I put the new one on. So now I gotta find a new head. So let's see. Is back. They fixed the crack. The guy put like 3 screws in there, so hopefully it works out. Let's see. We'll see in a few minutes. I sprayed it because I used the once before, even though it's a new one. I didn't want to buy another one. So what I used was this. Spray the both sides. Okay, so the tractor is done. It's running nice. So hopefully that crack fix should stay like that. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.